As far as the BSP Tamil Nadu chief K. Armstrong, who was hacked to death by men on bikes near Perambur in Chennai, where security that has been tightened right outside the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital, where his body has been kept, and the autopsy, we are told, is taking place. Protest that has been taking place outside when it comes to the hospital by the party cadres, as they say and demand that the probe should be handed over to the CBI, and they believe that the individuals who have now been placed under arrest by the police there are not the ones which are linked to the murder of K. Armstrong.
In that murder case, we have secured 8 suspects so far, a few minutes before. This is early investigation, preliminary investigation. So after some time, the clear picture and better accurate picture will emerge once we are through with more investigation, more facts and circumstances coming to light. We'll share with you. 10 teams have been formed by us. We are on the job to bring the offenders to. So after the interrogation of these suspects, we'll find out what could be the exact motive. Some weapons have been used, the preliminary injuries which reveal that some sharp weapons have been used.
Well, we have Dharni with us right now. Dharni, what's the situation now outside the hospital?
Supporters of the Bahujan Samaj Party held a road roko in front of the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital just a while back, demanding a CBI probe into this incident. They are telling that they don't have enough trust with the state police and that they want this investigation to be transferred to CBI is what they are telling. And they are also telling that they currently held 8 accused in this case. They are not the original offenders. The original offenders are still out there, so the police has to initiate immediate action to nab the actual culprits is what the demand that is coming in from the supporters of Bahujan Samaj Party. So the postmortem of Armstrong just got over. As per sources we are given to understand that the autopsy of Armstrong has got over. Any moment now his body will be taken from the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital to his residence in Chennai, his residence in Chennai. So there's a huge crowd in front of the mortuary block of the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital, supporters of the Bahujan Samaj Party and also the personal supporters of Mr. Armstrong. Hundreds of them, they have gathered in front of the mortuary block here to see his body being taken from the hospital to his house. So definitely a very gruesome incident coming to light from Tamil Nadu. The incident happened around 7 p.m. yesterday. Armstrong was standing in front of his house and he was having a casual chat with his friends and supporters about the construction work. That is when 6 armed men they arrived in 3 two-wheelers and they attacked Armstrong with sharp weapons, and he suffered severe injuries. He was rushed to a private hospital nearby, but unfortunately before the arrival he succumbed to the injuries. The doctors declared him broad dead.
Absolutely.
So let's try and understand
the protests that are concerned, the situation there being brought under control by the police there. Yes, Tadni, please speak to the people there.
நீங்க அந்த கட்சியில இருக்கீங்களா? நேத்து இந்த இன்சிடென்ட் நடந்திருக்கு, அதை பத்தி என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க?
என்ன சொல்றதுன்னு தெரியல. இது ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு படுகொலை. இது ரொம்ப முக்கியமான குற்றவாளிகளை கைது பண்ணுங்கன்னா சாதாரணமா எதுவுமே குற்றவாளிகளே இல்லாதவங்களை கைது பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க போலீஸ்.
8 பேரை பிடிச்சிருக்கேன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க.
8 பேருமே அதுல உண்மையான குற்றவாளிகள் இல்ல. அதுல ஒருத்தர் 2 பேர் தான் உண்மையான குற்றவாளிகளா இருப்பாங்க. மீதி பேர்லாம் சும்மா வந்தவங்க தான் எல்லாருமே. உண்மையாவே இது பிளான் பண்ணி பண்ணவங்களை கைது பண்ணணும். இது ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு டீம் ஒர்க்கா நெட்வொர்க்கா பண்ணியிருக்காங்க சென்னையில் உட்காந்து. அதனால தான் இவர் ஒன்றும் தலித் லீடர் இல்லை, எல்லாம் பொதுவான தலைவர். நிறைய பிள்ளைங்களை படிக்க வச்சிருக்கிறாரு. நான் தான் ஊராட்சி மன்ற தலைவர், நீ ராணிப்பேட்டை மாவட்ட தலைவர், அவர் தான் ஊராட்சி மன்ற தலைவராக. இது எங்களுக்கு ஒரு தலித் மக்களுக்கு பெரிய இழப்பு.
So what essentially is trying to tell is that he is also claiming that the 8 people who have got arrested in this case at the moment, they are not the actual offenders. They were just the men in the final start of the whole crime. So the original offenders, the master plan, the people who put this master plan, they need to be arrested is what the demand of the supporters here is. They are telling that it seems like a pretty organized crime because the accused exactly knew that he's standing out of his house and they came and 3 two-wheelers hiding their faces. So it was an organized crime, a planned, well-structured crime, well-structured and implemented crime. So these 8 people who have got arrested now, they must not be the masterminds, the original masterminds who planned this whole incident. They need to be arrested, and for this, this case needs to be transferred to the CBI. We do not trust the state police, is what the supporters of Mr. Armstrong, who are right in front of the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital, are trying to tell us. Let's try and talk to a few more people. Sir, இந்த இன்சிடென்ட் நேற்று நடந்திருக்கு, அதை பற்றி என்ன சொல்ல விரும்புறீங்க?
இது வந்து இந்த தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கே பெரிய மாபெரும் இழப்பு. எங்க தலைவர் வந்து எங்களை எல்லாமே எஜுகேட் பண்ண சொல்லுவாரு, ஒழுக்கமான இருக்க சொல்லுவாரு. பாபா சாஹேப் அம்பேத்கர் வழியில தான் எங்களை வந்து நடக்க சொல்லுவாரு. அவர் கெடுதலா யாருக்கும் எதுவுமே பண்ணது கிடையாது. மக்கள் மத்தியில வந்து நல்ல பேரோட தான் இருக்காரு. அவர் பெரிய இழப்பு எங்களுக்கு. என்ன
6 மணி போல ஒரு 6 பேர் வந்து இந்த இது நடந்திருக்கு. சட்டம் ஒழுங்கு வந்து தமிழ்நாட்டுல
சட்டம் ஒழுங்கு மிக மோசமா போயிட்டு இருக்கு. தொடர்ச்சியா பார்க்கலாம். பாஸ்ட் ஒரு 2 மாசமாவே பாஸ்ட் ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. கொலைகள் நிறைய நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு. இந்த கவர்மெண்ட், தமிழ்நாடு கவர்மெண்ட் வந்து இது ஆக்ஷனே எடுக்க மாட்டேங்குது. இத்தனைக்கும் அது வந்து ஸ்டாலினோட எம்எல்ஏ தொகுதி, அது கொளத்தூர். அங்கேயே அப்படி நடக்குதுன்னா தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருக்கிற மக்களுக்கு என்ன பாதுகாப்பு கொடுக்க போறாங்க? என்ன மாதிரி விளிம்பு நிலையில் இருக்கிற மக்களுக்கு என்ன பண்ண போறாங்கன்னு எனக்கு ஒண்ணுமே தெரியல. தலைவருக்கு அந்த நிலைமை, தொண்டர்களுக்கும் அவர் சார்ந்த இருக்கிறவங்களுக்குலாம் என்ன நிலைமைன்னு ஒரு பெரிய கேள்விக்குறியா இருக்குது. இது வன்மையாக கண்டிக்கிறோம். அரசு தான் இது முழுக்க காரணம். அதை வந்து அரசு வந்து கடந்த தண்டனை வந்து கொடுக்கணும் இந்த நேரத்தில். இல்லைன்னா இந்த மக்களோட பிரச்சனையை வந்து ஓயவே ஓயாது. இதோட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணணும். அது
what he essentially tries to tell is that he's talking about the law and order situation in the state. He's been telling that, he's telling that in the last couple of months, Tamil Nadu has seen a lot of, incidents of murder, incidents of, a huge tragedy, around 65 people losing their lives in the Kalakurchi, huge tragedy. So because of poor law and order maintenance in the last couple of months, Tamil Nadu has been witnessing a very new low in this, in this arena is what he's telling. And he's also telling that if my leader itself is getting murdered in broad daylight like this, what will the cadre, what will the normal supporters of the Bahughan Samaj Party do? What kind of safety do we have? What kind of safety the government is going to assure us? The government should take accountability for this incident, and we need answers from the ruling DMK Sarkar, is what that supporter that we recently spoke to had to say. Right. So there's a huge crowd in front of the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital, especially in front of the mortuary block, and any time from now the body of Mr. Armstrong, it will be brought out and it will be taken to his house.
As far as the police investigation right now is concerned, but as we speak, emotions that are running high as far as the Karyakartas, the party workers of the BSP, because the BSP on its own has also issued a statement, and as far as the statement that has now been issued, which they have been demanding that the investigation be handed over to the CBI, because they have been claiming the individuals who have now been caught aren't the ones who have any connection with the case with regards to the killing of Mr. Armstrong. As far as also concerned from the party, how they have been reacting, because the statement that has also been issued on part of M.K. Stalin, the Chief Minister, he has said that clear directions that have been given to the police when it comes to issuing directions to the police as well.